Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Link, and today I'm stepping a little outside of my comfort zone and doing a little Petula mini haul. So this is gonna be a little different for me because I am by no means a fashionista, like at all. I'm lucky if I match. And I honestly really felt like I wanted to make one of these videos just because, one, I'm obsessed with Petula. I think they are amazing quality, an amazing brand. I just really appreciate everything that they put out. But I also know it is very helpful to hear feedback on different leggings and tops and sports bras and all that kind of stuff. And I do want to say that this is completely unbiased. I am not affiliated with Petula. Their website is right here. Check it out. Read up, read the frequently asked questions, read about them. It's really an amazing company. So to start this video, I'm gonna share some of the items that I just got. I got 4 items, 2 sports bras, a tank top, and a pair of leggings. I ordered those recently. And then I'm going to kind of compare them to other Petula pieces that I've ordered and just really love. So let's dive in. First up, we have the Bree II Tank in black. I'm wearing a medium. Love this tank top. This is my first tank top I've ever purchased from them, and I am absolutely obsessed. Love the little detailing of the different logos. A little bit of give towards the rib, a lot of stretch towards the bottom. Next, we have the Katy Sports Bra in Concord Grape. I'm wearing a medium. This bra is super supportive while still having that beautiful open back. I am absolutely obsessed. Plenty of give and does not cut off your traps. Next up, I have the Kristina Sports Bra in Classic Black. Again, wearing a medium. Super comfortable, very supportive with a lot of give. The detailing is beautiful. I love that the straps are like you can separate them and it's just so cute, so comfortable. Again, does not cut into your traps. Love this bra. And finally, my favorite piece, the bare legging in 23 inches in Concord Grape. I'm wearing a medium. So stretchy. I love that there is no front seam. The give that these leggings have are amazing. I can wear them all the way through a bulk and a cut. They are squat proof, as you can see here. They do not move. I'm not constantly pulling them up or down. They are perfect. So out of those 4 pieces, the bare leggings are absolutely my favorite. I think out of all of the pieces that I own from Petula, the Concord Grape bare leggings, they just take it. They are so stretchy. They are so comfortable. They are squat proof. I love the color of them. I love the feel of them. They are 23 inches, so for me, they are cropped just above my ankle. The bare leggings also come in a black marl color. Super pretty. Those are also 23 inches in length. They did have 26 inches, but unfortunately at the time of recording, the 26 inches are sold out. Then, to be completely honest with you, both the sports bras and the tank top, I really can't pick a second, third, fourth because they're just, I love them all so much. This is the first tank top I've ever gotten from Petula. I love that it says active on the back. Super cute, nice little touch. I love that their logos are always very subtle, so it's just the tiny little emblem somewhere. 9 times out of 10 on the leggings, it's towards the bottom. I think there's also some on the back, like most leggings have, back of the waistband. The sports bras are very supportive. I obviously don't have a huge chest, so for me, not a huge concern, but I will say the padding in these is very thick. Let me see if I can pull that up a little bit. So can we see here? Very thick padding, so love that. But I would say overall, they are pretty freaking supportive. I love the detailing in the backs on both of them. I think that they're just so beautiful. Another thing I want to add about the sports bras, I have purchased other sports bras from Petula, and yes, the cups are removable, but the thing that I love about them is that the opening is fairly small, I would say, so they don't come out often in the wash. Other sports bras, I feel like every time I do laundry, I'm spending 5-10 minutes afterwards putting all the cups back in the sports bras. where Pullover that literally never happens. So I absolutely love that they're secure and I don't have to worry about that anymore. So some other items that I have and I highly, highly recommend you get your hands on. Number one is the Brandi Loungepants. I have these in, I think it's called Speckled Plum, and they are so freaking comfortable. I got a medium tall because I am 5'7" and 80% leg. So for me, I went with the tall. I honestly probably could have gotten a small tall and been okay. The mediums are a little bit big on me. I'll have all of my like sizing and everything in the description box below. If you have any questions like that, feel free to comment or just message me privately. I think they're cute. These are extremely, extremely comfortable. I wear them probably once a week, if not more. Next up, I have the Elena Twos in 23 inches with the pockets. The pockets are so freaking deep. So as you can see, I can fit more than my whole hand in this pocket. It holds so freaking much, it's insane. But beautiful, beautiful color, extremely thick and buttery soft quality. Again, these are 23 inches, cheeky pink. Highly recommend grabbing you some of these. Next up, I have the Desa'ree Twos in 23 inches. The color is Ocean Mist. So really honestly, it's not doing it justice here on the camera, but these are a beautiful, beautiful light blue color. I absolutely love them. I'll post a picture right here of me wearing them. These do have some stretch to them, probably. I'd say more than the Alainah's, but not as much as the Bear. The Bear are the stretchiest leggings that I think I've ever worn. These do have a front seam, so you can see that a little bit here, but I have never had any issues with camel toe or anything like that in these leggings. I guess that varies person to person. I don't really know, but I've never had any issues with them, so I highly recommend grabbing a pair of these as well. And finally, probably my favorite pullover that I've ever purchased. The Self Pullover in camo. Oh, it's just so perfect. It is a very deep, it's not, I wouldn't say it's a half zip, maybe it's a half zip. I don't know, but it does come down pretty deep. So on me, it is like just below my sternum area, I'd say. So just below the chest, you can see the skin at the bottom of a sports bra if you have it all the way unzipped. But again, I am not busty, so for busty girls, it may be a little bit different. So love that. Love the little logo. Again, very subtle on the back. The tag does not itch because it's only this big. It's a teeny tiny little thing. But I absolutely love this. It is so stretchy. It has this nice breathable detailing on the side. So you could wear this in the summertime. You could wear this spring, fall, winter. I freaking love it. So this is I highly recommend you grab one of these. This is the full length. They also have it in a cropped version as well. Looks the same, just cropped. So freaking nice, but I have tons of cropped jackets, so I wanted a full length, and I love it. It also has thumb holes, if you're into that kind of stuff. I literally never wore put my thumb through the hole ever. But with this jacket, I do. It's like a weird thing. It draws me in. I just go with it. So again, I do want to say I am not affiliated with Pullover. I just truly love the brand. I love what they put together. So much love for them. But I will have all of the descriptions of the pieces, my sizing, all that fun stuff down below in the description box, so check that out. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and let me know if you'd love to see another video like this, whether it be Pullover or whatever brand. If you want a little haul, a mini haul, let me know. I'd be more than happy to provide. So if you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell so you never miss a video from me.